Alright, so this is the Redmi Sonic based wireless earphones. These come at under a price of rupees 1000, have thumpy base, is wireless, and it also has magnets. So how is it? Well, let's check it out. I am Devathan and you're watching Tech Isle. Let's begin. So before we move on with the video, a huge thanks and massive shout out to Harsh from Technolobe. He had conducted a giveaway and fortunately I won, and the prize was this. So without him, this whole video would not have been possible. So I will leave a card for his channel. He makes like top quality tech videos. So make sure you check him out if you're interested in that. Now let's get back into the video. So you should take care of 4 things when going for an audio device. The number 1 is the build quality and comfort. Number 2 is the features. Number 3 is the most important, and that is sound quality. And finally number 4, battery life. So with that out of the way, let's begin with the first one, the build and comfort. And I have mixed feelings about it. So this is made of plastic, but I'm totally fine with that. There is no way that you can get anything better than plastic in this price range. So I'm totally fine with the fact that this is made of plastic. But the problem is that this is a bit flimsy than I would have liked it to be. And talking about the colors, this comes in 2 colors, a very monotonous black color and then a slightly more fancy this blue color. Personally, I do not like that black color. It looked a bit too dull to my liking. So if you don't like that black color, then the only other option that you have is this blue color. So just keep that in mind. And talking about the buttons, these are not very tactile. They are like more into the surface. They are more plushed into the surface. And talking about the magnets, these have magnets and they do work quite well. But one feature that I felt was lacking is like in some audio devices, when you close using these magnets, it pauses what you are doing, being it a music or video. So it pauses what you are doing. But this doesn't do that. It just closes. That's it. It doesn't pause what you are watching. But again, given the price, I wouldn't mind. These earbuds also have a shower-like design, which is designed to minimize the earwax that goes inside the earbud. Now talking about comfort, make sure that you have the correct bud size when you're using these. These provide 3 bud sizes, that is large, medium and small. So make sure that you have the correct bud size, because if you don't have, then the comfort will be not very precise. But there's a huge problem that I felt that this design has. It has a micro USB charging port. You know what, at this price range I'm not going to complain, to be honest. At this price range I will excuse it. But the other problem is that these does not come with a micro USB charging cable in the box. At a time when even the budget phones are coming with Type-C charging cable, this coming with micro USB is quite bad. So when you're buying it, make sure that you have a micro USB charging cable lying around. If Redmi had given a charging cable in the box, it wouldn't have been a massive problem, but they did not. And that brings me to the features of this device. So these come with a 9.2mm dynamic driver. So if you're just confused with these all numbers and letters, here it simply means that larger is better. So 9.2mm is actually quite good. In fact, it is due to the 9.2mm driver size that the bass is very heavy on this one. Then these also have dual mic noise cancellation, which simply means that it has 2 mics, so the mic quality will be quite good, and it was in my testing. Here's an audio sample. Alright, so this is an audio sample coming from the Redmi Sonic based wireless earphones. So of course you can't use these for professional voiceovers, but I think for voice calls or video calls, this should be fine. Another important feature is dual pairing, which even higher up in price very few earphones have. So basically what this dual pairing means that you can connect simultaneously with 2 devices. So let's take an example of say a laptop and a phone. So let's say that you're watching a movie on a laptop and suddenly a call comes to your phone. Now assure that you have connected both of these to this earphones. The movie that you're watching on a laptop will be paused allowing you to take the call without pausing this. So this feature works seamlessly in my testing, but it works only with very specific apps. Like with YouTube it worked perfectly, but with some of the media players like Amazon Prime Video, there was a tiny hiccup. And coming back, the moment I played a video on a device, the music playing on the other stopped, which is quite cool. Then this one also has IPX4 water resistance, which means that you will get protection from splashing water and sweat, but not for rain, or you can't use these when taking for a bath. So don't be too confident on that rating, but it can be enough for when you're taking it for walk or a run. These also come with Bluetooth 5.2, which means that there is 10 meters of uninterrupted range, which was pretty accurate and strong in my testing. Sorry for interrupting, but if you like this content, then be hugely appreciated if you could hit that like button. Seriously, it takes a lot of effort to make one video. And if you're new here, I make technology videos every Wednesday at 4 p.m. So just consider subscribing and hitting that bell icon. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the video. And that brings me to the most important thing in an audio device, the sound quality. So talking about the sound quality, this literally has bass in its name, and it does deliver to that name. It has a very bassy sound signature. The bass is very controlled and tight. Before we proceed, whatever I'm saying will be from the perspective of an average music listener. I'm not an audiophile or an expert in the audio field, so just keep that in mind. Something that I was afraid of was if the bass is very heavy, then it would hurt the other tones like the mids and the highs, but that is not quite the case. For the price, this sounds very good. The vocals and the instruments were very clear, except in very few cases where they were overpowered by a tiny bit due to the bass. Another thing to note is that these are very good for listening in short sessions, like say 30 minutes or 45 minutes, and that is due to the fact that because the bass is very heavy, it is also heavy on your ears. So after 30 to 45 minutes, you would want to remove these and take a break. So overall, it has a very pleasing sound signature. If you are a bass head, then you'll definitely like it, and even if you are not a bass head, then you'll be happy with it. So coming to the battery life, this has a 120 mAh battery, and Redmi claims that it will give a 12-hour battery life, and I found that to be mostly true. I got anywhere about 10 to 12 hours within a single charge. So that is very good battery life, but as I mentioned previously, this has a micro USB charging port, which could be a potential deal breaker for many. And coming to the charging time itself, it takes close to about 2 hours to completely charge the device, which is okay considering the backup that I'll be getting. Okay, so these come at a price of ₹1000. So should you buy? At that price, it does give high value. It has the basics covered. The design is good, the sound quality is pleasing, and the battery life is also very good. If you have not switched to a wireless audio device, then this is a good year and this device is a good option. However, if you don't want to, then the alternatives are Boat Rockers 235V2 and Bolt Audio Pro Bass X1. Both have a slightly better IPX5 water resistance, which to be honest is not a huge difference, but still is a difference. But the battery life is a bit lesser than the Redmi one. So the Redmi Sonic based wireless earphone is a very good all-round wireless earphone. Alright, that's it for today. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.